Okay, 73 wants us to solve equations, so let's go through this. So I have -2 times absolute value of x equals -8. I divide both sides by -2, and I get absolute value of x equals 4, +4, right? -2 divided on both sides. So that means either x equals 4 or -4, right? For A. For B, we have absolute value of x minus 3.2 equals 4.7. So we break it into two. X minus 3.2 equals 4.7. And x minus 3.2 equals -4.7. So the first one I add 3.2 to both sides and I get 7.9. And the second one I add 3.2 to both sides and I get 1.5, right? -1.5. So this one is -1.5 and 7.9 as my solution set for B. For C, let's make a little space. C, I have the absolute value of 9 plus 6x equals 4. So we break it into two. 9 plus 6x equals 4, and 9 plus 6x equals -4. I subtract 9, right? So I get 6x equals -5, and I divide by 6, so I get x equals -5/6. Over here I subtract 9, and I get 6x equals -13, and divide by 6, and I get x equals -13/6. So the solution set is -13/6, -5/6 for C. And the last one, D, let me make space. D, I have the absolute value of -7x minus 7 equals 1. So two equations, -7x minus 7 equals 1, and -7x minus 7 equals -1. And we add 7 to both sides, so I get -7x equals 8, and then I divide by -7 and get x equals -8/7. The second one, I add 7 to both sides, and I get -7x equals 6, and then divide both sides by -7, and I get x equals -6/7. So we get -8/7, -6/7. Whoops. Let me fix that one. That is not a appropriate set notation bracket. So it comes out to -8/7 and -6/7 for D.